As shown in the video, place the bicycle upside down. This is the front wheel after removing the quick release. The quick release handle has 2 nuts and 2 springs. Now, remove the nut from the top of the quick release handle. You will see that the 2 springs are connected, and there is another nut placed at the bottom. Place 1 nut at the very bottom, with the small side of the nut facing inward. Then, place the first spring. The first spring should have the large side facing inward, while the second spring should have the small side facing inward, creating an opposing setup with the first spring. Align the position of the brake disc on the wheel with the brake caliper on the bicycle. They should be on the same side. Insert the brake disc into the brake caliper, then install the front wheel, ensuring the other side is also securely in place. Take the quick release handle, and as shown in the video, install the first nut, then install the first spring, and insert it into the fork hole. Install the second spring on the opposite side of the quick release handle, ensuring the small side faces inward. Finally, tighten the nut to the appropriate tension, making it easy to lock the quick release handle.